Today, I'm going to show you 5 common mistakes to avoid when you're washing your car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now look, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jamie Buchanan. I own a detail shop in Morganton, North Carolina. Look, these mistakes are applicable for everyone from professionals like myself to you, the weekend warrior at home. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, dropping your wash mitt on the ground and using it again. This may seem like a no-brainer to some of you, but believe me, I've seen it happen way too many times. What happens is when the wash mitt hits the ground, the dirt, the sand, and the debris, whatever's there is going to stick inside of the mitt. You're going to take the mitt, you're going to begin to wash again. Now, you're going to see, maybe not now, but over time, you're going to see some serious scratch marks in the paint. Number 2, letting water or soap dry onto the car on a hot, sunny day. You've probably heard numerous times to never wash your car in the direct sun, and that's good for a reason too. Direct sun on a hot summer day will dry a car extremely quickly, and if you're unable to keep the car wet, you're going to be left with those dreaded watermarks that may require some paint correction to take it out. 3, rubbing the car with a dry microfiber towel. While microfiber is amazing, it's not magical. I've seen countless times at car shows where guys will just wipe the vehicle down in the direct sun with just a microfiber towel. No lubrication at all. It's important to always use some sort of quick detailer, spray wax, body lube, etc. to wipe down the bodywork, even if you're just trying to knock the dust off. I like to go one step further and purchase edgeless microfiber towels. Be sure that you rip the tags off of these things to ensure the quality microfiber is in contact with the paint and nothing else. Number 4, what type of wheels do you have? What I would say is you should be using a P&S brake buster or a non-acidic wheel cleaner, because an acid will smoke an aluminum wheel and damage other types of wheels. And since we don't know what type of wheel you have, you need to do a little research or buy a non-acidic wheel cleaner to wash your wheels with so you don't do any damage to your wheels. So this is a pontoon acid or pontoon cleaner, which is a very, very high acidic content acid. This is something you wouldn't use on this wheel. It's actually gonna smoke this thing and burn the black, and you're not gonna be able to bring that back unless you take it off, polish it, maybe even have to machine polish it, okay? So this is one of the wheel cleaners that we're talking about. You need to know what kind of wheel you have in order to use what kind of chemical wheel cleaner you're going to use. Last but not least now, number 5, the vacuum hose and the water hose. Don't be using your wheels to be as your scotch to pull your hose. Pull it out at an angle to make sure you can get all the way around the car, because the flip and the whip will scratch your car immensely. And next, your vacuum hose, when you're vacuuming, make sure you keep it up off the skid plate, you keep it up off the rear bumper in the back. No matter where you're vacuuming, make sure that friction point is not rubbing against the paint to do damage to your car or your customer's car. Well guys, look, that's my top 5 mistakes to avoid when you're washing your car. Look, I hope this video has helped you, and if it did, please be sure to leave a like, a subscribe. We love the comments, but be sure that you subscribe to the channel. These videos really take a lot of time and effort to make, and it really helps us out as we're only trying to help you out. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to read those, and we will get back with you, and I'll catch up with you guys on the next one.